Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter DMs not loading on settings. We will click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps. Then we come to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down to find this is up and we will click here on Twitter, and we come to next window here. Like you say, we will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache, and we will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Twitter app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.